If you love to write and have something useful or inspiring to say, consider starting a blog. A blog is a website where you regularly share your ideas or expertise with your readers. Before you start sharing your thoughts, you need to create a website. You can hire someone to build it for you or do it yourself. Website builders like Squarespace make it really easy to put together a website on your own, even with no previous experience. Once your site is up, it's all about writing good content consistently and promoting your blog to attract readers and subscribers. If you want to monetize your blog, you need an audience. Then you can use methods like affiliate marketing and ads. You can also create your own product or service and sell it on your website. If you're looking to get rich, online surveys are not the way to do it. However, you can earn other rewards by sharing your opinions on different product or website like Survey Junkie. By filling in surveys, you make some extra cash to spend on daily expenses such as gas and groceries, or you get gift cards for different stores and restaurants like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Having a side hustle or side gig in addition to a full-time job is pretty normal these days. Many people make a decent amount of money using side hustle apps such as DoorDash or Uber. If you don't want to go door-to-door delivering food or don't have a car or the car insurance needed to become an Uber driver, you can look for other opportunities. With apps like TaskRabbit or Handy, you can get hired for random odd jobs in your neighborhood. If you want a side hustle that gets you outside on a moving, check out the Rover app to find dog walking clients. Got a website or online business with a decent following, or perhaps a desirable domain name registered in your name? There's money to be made from flipping website. You just need to know where to look. Often the biggest hurdle is figuring out how much the website or business is worth and finding interested buyers. Websites are said to be worth 2 to 3 times the annual profit they generate, although that isn't set in stone and can vary considerably. For a better idea, consider getting a professional valuationist. You've settled on an asking price. Look for an online marketplace that specialize in these types of transactions. It's important to find somewhere safe that can attract as many potential bidders as possible. Flippa, which also offers a free website valuation tool, is considered one of the best. An online newsletter is an email you send out to your subscribers to share information or promote a product or service. Let's say you have a blog or a YouTube channel that's all about yoga. In your newsletter, you can promote your favorite yoga wear using affiliate links. If your readers click on the link, it's money in your pocket. You can also use your newsletter to promote your latest online yoga workshops, your one-on-one online yoga coaching sessions, and your comfy merch. If you've always dreamed of being the next big YouTube star, now is your chance to make money on YouTube. You need views and subscribers, lots of them, to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. You need at least 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 public watch hours over the last 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers with 10 million public short video views over the last 90 days. If you can meet these criteria, it's possible to earn money using your YouTube channel. You can try to profit from advertising revenue, channel membership, and selling merchandise in your YouTube store. Have you been sitting on a book idea for years? If so, why not try to self-publish and sell in a book online? From financial advice and self-help to cookbooks and fiction, there is no end to what you can write about. If you have expertise on a subject and want to share your knowledge, an ebook is a great way to get the word out. There are many online ebook publishers, including Amazon, Kindle, Smashword, and Rakuten Kobo. Writing a book isn't easy, and it takes a significant amount of effort on the front end, but once you hit publisher, a book has passive income potential for those with a beautiful, unique, or radio announcer tone. Have you consider voiceover work? Successful voice actors often have a background in acting and are able to do different chat tractors or accents. Voiceover actors can find work narrating a book's online videos or online ads. To get started, you will need a professional portfolio to share with potential clients. Voiceover acting also requires some initial investment. You will need to purchase a microphone and headphones as well as voice recording and editing software. A virtual assistant is a remote worker who offers administrative support to different clients. Successful virtual assistant are organized, reliable, and tech-savvy. The exact job tasks you will do as a virtual assistant can vary greatly based on your skill set, as well as what you clients want. Some services you might offer include responding to emails, scheduling client meetings and appointments, transcribing documents, and coordinating travel or bookkeeping. If you already have administrative experience, this can make it easier to break into the industry. But it's not necessary. You can start too. Twitch lets gamers and other creators stream their content live similar to a YouTube channel. You make money by becoming a Twitch partner or a Twitch affiliate. There are several ways to monetize your content on Twitch, including subscriptions and bit subscription allow your viewers to pay a monthly fee to support your channel. Bits are a virtual good that viewers can purchase to show their support and cheer on your content. As a Twitch partner, you can also run ads on your streams and make money through sponsorship opportunities.